Hi, this is Sunil Kumar. Welcome to you, my channel Professional Group. Sorry guys, don't take me wrong. A lack of time and a lack of money made me to do this type of low quality video, but I can assure you, in the next time I can make more videos of high quality and high quality content. Trust me. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated. So today's topic is about the scientific names of vitamins. So before heading into the vitamins and their scientific name, let's understand what is the role of vitamin in our body. As like proteins, carbohydrates and fats, vitamins also plays a big role in our body. Before 1935, the only source of vitamin is food. But nowadays you can get it easily in the medicine store. Okay. The term vitamin was first coined by Funk, and vitamins are mainly of two types: water soluble and fat soluble. What is water soluble? The vitamins which are soluble in water is called as water soluble, and which kind of vitamins belongs to water soluble? Just hear me, and if you can note this, please note this. Vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble. Remember, vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble, and fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K are fat soluble, B and C are water soluble. Now goes to the scientific names of vitamins. Vitamin A, the scientific name is retinol. After this video, after this lesson that I'm right now starting you, I will give you 6 to 7 questions and you have to remember them. So vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin A, which mainly found in carrots and all the green vegetables. And vitamin A is also known as anti-infection vitamin. Vitamin A, the scientific name is retinol. Vitamin B1, that is B complexes, which is water soluble. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B7, biotin. Vitamin B9, folic acid, and vitamin B12, cobalamin. In exams, you mostly get about the scientific name of vitamin B complexes. So remember this, that vitamin B1 to vitamin B12, just remember this: vitamin B1, B3, B5, B6, and most importantly vitamin B7. B7 is called as biotin, B9 folic acid, and B12 cobalamin. Vitamin C, due to lack of which scurvy has happened, scurvy disease has been occurred in most of the people, and it is mainly found in citrus fruit, and its scientific name is ascorbic acid. Now heading towards the vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol, and during the morning sunlight you can get enough vitamin D. So try to wake up before 5 to 6 a.m. and get that vitamin D. Vitamin E, tocopherol, and vitamin K, phyloquinol. Just remember this because the next is question, please. Scientific name of vitamin A. Here we go. Scientific name of vitamin A is retinol. And deficiency of vitamin A causes which disease? Deficiency of these vitamins A causes night blindness and weak immune system. Scientific name of vitamin C. Scientific name of vitamin C, you have to comment me in the box. What is the scientific name of vitamin C? Please. Then the scientific name of vitamin B1. The scientific name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The scientific name of vitamin D, calciferol. You have to comment me deficiency of vitamin D causes which diseases? Scientific name of vitamin E is tocopherol. So guys, I think I can make more videos on that, and which will be helpful all your exams, SSC, railway, and all your exams. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos on better content. Thank you.